What's going on, everybody? It's Black Superman, your favorite financial guy, and I'm going to show you how you can take a kid's policy that's family funded to create generational wealth. Here we go. Now, a common question I get from parents is, what product can I use to help create generational wealth for my kids? Well, this is what I'm suggesting. You can actually use a life insurance plan called an IUL. So you get your kid an index universal life insurance plan that's actually funded by family members. And this is how it works. Let's say you have a male baby that's born, right? Let's say you guys get a $500,000 life insurance plan out on the baby. That means that they have a guaranteed death benefit of $500,000 when the baby passes away. As a baby, an adult, teenager, whatever it may be, you get a guaranteed $500,000 and it's going to accumulate cash. Now, instead of making monthly payments, you guys as a family do annual payments, right? Now, annual payment for a new baby boy is actually $1,500 a year. So what you do is you take 15 family members and each of the family members pay $100 into that policy. Or let's say you have 30 family members, a neighbor, a friend, a godparent. You have 30 family members or 30 people in that family. They each give $50 every single birthday. So what does that mean? Every birthday you collect that money. By the age 65, that policy that you've been paying to for the past 65 years at a 5.64% rate of return, you're going to have about $782,000 in that policy. That is cash money. At the age of 85, you guys been paying that policy. It's going to be about $2.3 million inside that policy. So what that means is, instead of you guys buying them toys and buying them gifts and buying them purses, buying them kids and those teenager stuff that they don't need, guess what you're doing? You're actually starting a fund, a life insurance plan for them that's building cash over time. So by the age of 65, guess what? They have access to over $782,000 of cash built inside that policy. By the age of 85, they have $2.2 million of cash that they have access to, whether they want to retire with that money, whether they want to give it to their kids, their grandkids, build their dream home, travel the world, whatever it may be. That cash value has been growing over time. Why? Because when the baby was born, this is what you did. As a family, you came together and you said, let's help create generational wealth for every single baby that comes into this family. Let's set up together a plan that's going to give them access to money for the rest of their lives. And at the end of the day, let's say said baby grows up, dies at the age of 85 years old, counting the death benefit and the cash that's accumulating that policy, they're going to have roughly around $2.7 million tax-free that they're going to pass down to their beneficiary. So here's what I want you to understand. Get together as a family, reach out to me, and let's get your kids an index universal life policy today.
MT Spiders. Eat better, save better, live better,
And always
leave your love.
amen.